I spent the last 7 days testing 3 different AI side hustles to see which ones actually pay off, and which are just hype. Spoiler, one of them made me money on the very first day with zero experience and almost no investment. Stick around because I'm breaking down exactly what I did, step by step, so you don't waste your time on stuff that doesn't work. Hey, welcome back. If you're serious about making some extra cash with AI, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I try all the weirdest side hustles, so you don't have to. Alright, let's jump in with the first one, AI thumbnail creation. Here's what I did. I fired up Midjourney and Canva, created some eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, and then listed my gig on Fiverr. Simple as that. Within 2 days, boom, I got my first order. $15 for a single thumbnail. Not huge, but think about it. Every YouTuber needs thumbnails. If you're even a little creative, this can add up fast. Second AI hustle. A. Script writing. I used ChatGPT to whip up YouTube scripts, then reached out to smaller creators on Instagram and email offering to write scripts for their channels. Let's be real, it took a while. Crickets for the first few days. But by day 5, landed my first client, earned $25 for a single script. What I learned, it's less about being a writing genius and more about reaching out to as many people as possible. The more you message, the better your odds. Third, hustle. AI shorts creation. Here's my workflow. ChatGPT for video ideas, CapCut for editing, auto captions for that pro look. I launched a fresh YouTube Shorts channel and posted daily. One of my videos blew up fast. 10,000 views in just 3 days. No cash yet, but this has huge potential. Once you hit YouTube's requirements, you can monetize, and some Shorts channels are making serious money. So, after a week of hustling, here's what I learned. First, you don't need to be perfect, just get started. Second, AI tools save a ton of time, but you still need to put in real effort. And third, if you combine skills with consistency, the money starts to add up. If you ask me to pick the best hustle right now, I'd go with AI thumbnail design. It's quick to learn, the demand is huge, and you can start getting paid almost instantly. Alright, that's my 7-day experiment with 3 different AI side hustles. Want to see me try other methods? Drop your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a real tested AI side hustle. Catch you in the next one.